Okay. I'm Maharlikang Filipino Party. I'm Mrs. Rosalie Balcon, the first nominee. And I've got Dr. Alvin Sahagon as the second nominee and Dr. Ruben Flor as the third nominee.
Ma'am, you have 2 minutes para the ano sa.
Okay, our Maharlikang Pilipino, ang advocacy namin is karunungan, kabuhayan, and of course, kaunlaran. Our goal for this coming election is to make a difference sa ating mga middle class. Ang pangarap namin, I know it will be a big dream, pero ang pangarap namin is to see more Filipinos in the middle class sector.
Okay. Any question po from the media? Ano po bang tanong? John? Do you have question? Go ahead. Introduce mo yung pangalan mo ni Iha and then your media organization, please. Thank you.
Hello po. Hannah Borday po from GMA News Online. Tatanong lang po namin kung first time po sumali ng party list nyo this elections.
This is our second time. Maharlikang Pilipino is a second time na pagsali. But with us joining with Dr. Alvin Sahagon, we're praying na masunod yung aming advocacy that it will be a middle class na aming haharapin.
Tatanong lang po namin, ma'am, when was the first time na tumakbo yung party list?
2022.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any more question po? Thereby, nawala ng question. Thank you, Iha. Sir, another photo off sa center po.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, maraming salamat po for the integrity pledge.